Hey guys, welcome aboard Celebrity Xcel, the brand new ship. In this video, we're gonna be exploring a Sunset Veranda. So obviously, as the name implies, this is on the tail end of the ship so that you can watch the sunset from the aft of the ship. So let's come in and check it out. So as you first come in, you're gonna have this lounger style couch, as well as some chest of drawers here, your desk, and then your charging board over here. As we continue past and you come over here, you come to a very nice large bed, well decorated with plenty of space on both sides. And then that will lead you out to your sunset veranda. All right, so let's go outside. So on the veranda, as you can see, there's plenty of room. It comes with 2 chairs and a small table, but there's plenty of room to have friends and family hang out with you, maybe other cruisers you met aboard, and you get a beautiful vista of wherever you're sailing to. Today, we happen to be in port at Fort Lauderdale, so that's what you're seeing behind me. Behind the couch here is where we're actually gonna have our closet. You open both sides, you get a full-length mirror on one side, plenty of storage for long and short hang-ups in there, as well as your drawers and your safe. Now, something that's very easy to miss on these ships, if you haven't sailed before, as you come around the corner working towards the bathroom, this corner is actually also storage. So it is a great place to put small bags, handbags, shoes, anything you just need to get up and out of the way. And then behind that, finally, we'll move on to the bathroom. So this bathroom does not have new style showers we'll see on Royal Caribbean's Icon class ships. Instead, on the Edge class, you have these larger Jetson style doors that take you out. It is a very nice size shower. I'm 6 foot, fit in there no problem. You also get a sink vanity, plenty of storage on both sides. And then of course, as always, you get your toilet behind you. Well guys, hopefully this helps you understand exactly what you're gonna get with a Sunset Veranda room aboard the Celebrity Xcel. As always, we appreciate you guys for watching. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can always use the QR code here or the links down below to have Amy book the perfect cruise on the perfect itinerary for you. And as always, we will see you on the next one.